What is up, responsible day traders? Today is Friday. It's Friday, November 5th, 2021. I am Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. So I am in my always hungry shirt, which is made me feel a little bit greedy about trading today, honestly. I took a trade. I was like, I'm not going to trade today. I've been a little tired. I've been really busy. This is tried and true proof. 2 days ago, I traded first thing in the morning. Today, I trade right as market's closing. So you can take trades no matter what time of day it is, just as long as you stay in the right mindset. Now, I did have 4 trades today. After my first 2, I was a break even. The next 2 brought it home. Okay, so I lost my first trade, won my second one. And honestly, my first trade loss was just a simple, I knew better, but I didn't, and I could have stayed in that a little bit longer. But it's all good. It's all gravy because I'm walking away with around $1,000 today. I mean, it's $1,050 with 4 trades, 4 contracts. That kind of adds up a little bit, somewhere around $50 in commissions. So it'll probably be just under $1,000 when I get my report. But yeah, guys. It's a great week. It's a great day to be alive. I'm so happy it's Friday. Please, please, please like, subscribe, share with your friends, because I want you to see that this is, I say it's easy. It comes with ease to me because I've been doing it for a long time, but I'm able to convey how it's done through the curriculum that we've got, through the coaching when we talk about things. And guys, a lot of it comes down to a lot of people understand this material. It's having what's going on in here and here come together with paying attention to what's happening in the market instead of what's going on in all this junk, right? And a lot of that comes with meditations. It comes with books like The Power of Now and The Power of Vulnerability and Atomic Habits, and things like that have changed my life to where I can sit in front of this market and I can take a loss with the same mindset that I take a win. That, hey, that happened. Let's figure out what we're going to do about it. All right, let's go ahead and wrap that up. I hope that everybody has a wonderful day and enjoy the show. Hello, folks. Kind of last minute decision to start trading today, about 30 minutes ago. It's a classic case of me moving the risk a little too quick here. I was like, my risk was right at here, and I know this is running, and there's really not a lot to do about it right now. Just kind of sit and watch. I may get out in a moment. We'll see. But here, I told myself, Lindsay, your risk was right at this high. I need to move it up 2 ticks. Right as I went to grab it, boom, boom, boom. It came up, stopped me out, but it is what it is. So I got back in, held it too long. It pulled back here. It's kind of hard to see because I've got the entry in the way. And I was like, hold up a second. This is still going because at this point, I'm a break even. So 2 points down, 2 points up. Get back in here and here, have been moving my risk along. First one took me out. I just had it right at that high. I mean, that's something that I do when I know about myself. When it moves slow like this, I will start to look at every little move as where I need my risk. And sometimes it comes back and bites me in the boo-boo, like right here, and that's okay. So, currently up $350. But if this one closes out right here, right now, I'd be up $1,200. I'm going to just kind of pull this over in the corner right there. Currently up 350, but there we go. All right. So if this starts breaking up to the upside, I definitely want to get out of this. I actually think I'm going to go ahead and exit it. Oh, I want to, but I want to be patient also. This is so weak here. It is starting to roll over, but we do have the top Bollinger Band. So I think there's some good reasons to exit this trade, really. And I'm going to go ahead and wait. Just wait till this BB tells me, are we really popping out of here? Which may come back and take that. And it'll have me under $1,000 for today. Whatever, it's okay. All right. It's really looking like it's trying to pop up. And the next space for it to go is all the way back up here where I don't want my risk. So it's got 80 ticks, 70 ticks. Let's see where this BB is going to land after that. I really think I should be out of this trade, honestly. Let's just wait though. 25 ticks. You can see it's pulling in as that's happening. These are still pointing down super weak. Just pulling it in one more tick. It's fine. It's fine. So they're trying to break out to the upside, but they're not doing a strong job at it. And we're way, way, way below the zero line. It's just, if we had some strength here or here, I'd feel a lot more confident about staying in this longer. I know I moved some down earlier, looking for bigger targets. I had one sitting way down here if it comes all the way down there, but I don't know if we'll see that today. We've only got 30 minutes left of the market. I think I'm going to be getting out of it. I'm just going to go ahead and hit close. If it pulls back, it pulls back. Or if it pushes down, it pushes down. I'm just ready to be out of this. I kind of didn't anticipate trading. I just sat down and saw something almost perfect. And what it was right in here, we had pulled down, pulled back into the area, and it was right in here as this was happening. Let me put on my markers. There we go. And it was telling me that we were going to see more down, rolling off the zero line here, leading lower here. And I really, really said to myself, Lindsay, you should have been in. You should have moved the. I have a rule where I can move my. I have a rule where I can move my stop loss 2 ticks, and that is it. And the 2 ticks would have been right here, which would have kept me in this trade. Popped down really quick when it pulled back. I got back in. I can't see where that entry is. I believe it's right here. And pulled back here. I had moved my risk in too tight. It was right above here. Just too tight with the risk. So I got back in, and now it looks like it's probably going to go down further. It's probably going to go down to where I wanted it to go. But you know what? I'm okay with that. Let's go ahead and look at today. Another trade performance. Where are you? Where'd it go? Oh, there we go. There it is. I'm going to cover that because I don't even want to look at it if it goes down. So let's go ahead and hit generate. So here is my first loss, and then ended up with 21 points. So I'll take it. No complaints. Ooh. But what I really want to happen is this just to fly back up to the upside, so I don't feel guilty about exiting, but it's okay. So what time did we start? 2:59, done by 3:29. So that's exactly 30 minutes. Bam, 30 minutes, $1,000, $1,050. Obviously, we're going to have about probably about $80 in commissions, a little less than 80. So maybe this 1,050 will turn into something more like, 998 or something like that. I'm going to try and guess it. But, that's all she wrote, folks. That's it. We're calling it a day. So I had my camera up and in the way. Ooh, I like seeing this pullback now. Makes me feel like my decision was good. So I'm looking at the last 2 days of my trading. So I took this back to the first so we can see this has been it this week. 45 minutes of trading, around $2,500, or maybe closer to $2,300, something closer to that. But being able to walk away with 49 points is a pretty nice feeling, right? So I'm not going to complain about that. I guess on to next week. I am going to start doing my Monday morning reviews Sunday night. So, the market will have moved, may move bigger, who knows, but I'm going to start doing my Monday morning review Sunday night so they'll get out a little quicker and you can see them before the market opens, because that way you can get an idea of what I'm anticipating for the day. But, all right, folks, we'll wrap it up. Hope everybody has a great day, and I'll catch up with you later.